Want to know how to change your in-game nickname or your username in Raid Shadow Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Raid Shadow Legends game, and once you've opened it up, make sure you are logged in as well. So we have also created a video on how to log in and how to install Raid Shadow Legends, so make sure to watch that. So now, once you've done all of that, here on the top left side, you should be seeing your profile right here or your avatar. That should be there. You can just simply select that. And now once you've created your profile, here you should be under player profile. If you're not, just simply select player profile on the leftmost side. So once you've done that, on the bottom you should be seeing your avatar and your name. Just simply select this edit icon right here. This should be small. And now once you've figured that, you can just simply edit your profile or your username. So you can just simply type in your preferred username and select confirm, and you're good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.